Many patients ask me a deeply personal question. Does God decide whether IVF works, or is it pure science and luck? Let's talk about it. I'm Dr. Malpani. After thousands of IVF cycles, here's one truth: no doctor can predict success with 100% certainty. Even with great embryos, a receptive lining, and a smooth transfer, sometimes embryos don't implant. And sometimes average embryos surprise us. IVF is science, but biology is complex. There are hidden variables we still don't fully understand. That's why the outcome of a single cycle is always a matter of probability, never guarantee. In uncertainty, many turn to faith. Does prayer increase success rates? Studies are mixed. There's no clear scientific proof. But faith absolutely helps some patients cope. It provides strength through the ups and downs. Please don't see infertility as punishment. It's a medical condition like diabetes or hypertension. IVF isn't playing God, it's using tools of science to do in the lab what nature couldn't do in the bedroom. Some couples are deeply spiritual, others are strictly rational. You don't have to choose sides. Respecting each other's coping style can actually reduce stress and improve the experience. The sweet spot? Balance. Let faith give you hope, and let rational thinking guide decisions, choosing evidence-based protocols, avoiding unnecessary tests, and understanding probabilities. Your faith, whether in God or in science, should empower, not burden you with guilt. You deserve compassion, clear information, and choices that keep you in control. If you're navigating IVF uncertainty, I'm here to help with evidence-based guidance and empathy. Book a video consultation or WhatsApp us, links are below. Take care.